I'm Unknown Realms, and I've developed a proven system for inducing lucid dreams. Today, I'm going to share my raw, actionable techniques to help you unlock the full potential of your subconscious mind. Let's get through the excitement and focus on what truly works. Buckle up and let's dive in. Your journey to lucid dreaming mastery starts now. What is lucid dreaming? Lucid dreaming is the incredible ability to consciously recognize and control your dreams while you're dreaming. Imagine being able to manipulate the scenario, characters, and emotions with complete awareness that you're in a dream state. Lucid dreaming opens the door to tapping into the full potential of your subconscious mind. You can confront and overcome deep-seated fears, practice skills and scenarios in a risk-free environment, and unlock the boundaries of your creativity. But the question remains, how do you actually induce these powerful lucid dream states? Technique 1. Reality checking. Explanation: the foundation of lucid dreaming is reality checking. This is the habit of regularly checking your reality to see if you're dreaming. You can do this by performing simple actions like pinching yourself, looking at your hand to see if it's really there, or counting your fingers to see if they disappear. Set reminders on your phone to reality check throughout the day, especially during habitual activities like brushing your teeth or washing your hands. Tag your thoughts with reality check to make this a second nature habit. I'm excited to dive deeper into more advanced techniques in the next section, but first, it's crucial that you make reality checking an ingrained part of your daily routine. Technique 2. Dream journaling. Writing down your dreams as soon as you wake up is a powerful tool for lucid dreaming. This helps you become more aware of your dreams, identify recurring themes and symbols, and recognize your unique dream signs. Keep a dedicated dream journal next to your bed. As soon as you wake up, jot down as many details as you can remember: emotions, sensations, visuals. Focus on capturing the essence of the dream rather than writing a novel. By tracking your dreams, you'll gain insights into your subconscious mind and become more self-aware, both in waking life and in your dreams. Technique 3. Mild and WBTB techniques. The mild, mnemonic induction of lucid dreams technique involves visualizing yourself in a vivid dream scenario and repeating the phrase, "I will be aware that I'm dreaming," or a similar mantra as you fall asleep. This programs your mind to recognize and control your dreams. The WBTB, wake back to bed, technique involves setting your alarm to wake up after a few hours of sleep, staying awake for a bit, and then going back to bed. This increases your chances of entering a lucid dream state by exploiting the natural sleep cycle. Practice. Tonight, I want you to try the mild technique. Visualize yourself flying or exploring a dream world that excites you. Repeat your mantra with conviction as you drift off to sleep. We'll explore even more techniques in future videos, but for now, focus on making mild a part of your nightly routine. We've covered the foundations of lucid dreaming, the power of reality checking, the importance of dream journaling, and the mild and WBTB techniques. Remember, consistency is key. Make reality checking a habit, journal your dreams, and practice mild and WBTB regularly. Subscribe for more in-depth lucid dreaming content. Try the techniques and share your experiences in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to lucid dreaming mastery. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.